You're planning your next trip wrong, and AI already knows it. Remember when planning a vacation meant opening 47 tabs, comparing prices across 6 websites, reading hundreds of reviews, and still wondering if you picked the right hotel? That's over. The travel industry just crossed $10 trillion, and AI is collapsing the entire planning process into a single conversation. Apps now exist that learn whether you're a foodie or an adventure junkie. They surface restaurants locals actually go to, not just tourist traps. They reroute your day when it rains. They know your budget without you repeating it 12 times. Expedia, Booking.com, and Google didn't add AI chatbots for fun. They added them because travelers are done playing detective with their vacation time. In this video, you'll see the exact interface designs and AI mechanics that early-stage apps are using to compete with billion-dollar platforms. The workflows that turn "I want to visit Japan" into a complete, personalized itinerary in under 3 minutes. Because the apps that nail AI-first travel planning in the next 12 months will own the next decade. The ones that don't will become the next MapQuest. Here's why planning a trip became exhausting, and it comes down to 3 specific problems. Problem 1, information overload. You're comparing flights on Kayak, hotels on Booking, restaurants on TripAdvisor, things to do on Google, weather on 3 different apps. By the time you've researched everything, you need a vacation from planning your vacation. Problem 2, the generic itinerary trap. Every blog tells you the same 10 places. The Eiffel Tower, Times Square, the same tourist traps everyone photographs. You wanted authentic experiences. You got a checklist designed for crowds. Problem 3, the rigid schedule. Problem: you spent hours building the perfect day-by-day plan. Then it rains, or you're jet-lagged, or that restaurant is closed Tuesdays. Suddenly your entire itinerary is useless and you're scrambling to rebuild it on the fly. AI doesn't just make planning faster, it makes it adaptable, personalized, and actually useful. Let me show you how. We begin with the user app of the Travel AI app. The experience starts on the login screen, where the user enters a phone number or email, receives an OTP, and verifies their account. After the OTP is confirmed, the app asks for basic travel interests, creates the user profile, and brings them to the home screen. On the home screen, users can access the search bar, destination experiences, detailed place information, notifications, and 2 main AI tools. Discover places with AI and plan trips with AI. Next, we move to the Explore screen. Here, users can post their own stories using the Post Story button. There is an AI-powered destination search that suggests places based on interests, and travelers can also browse through story-based content to discover new destinations. From there, we move to the Plan screen. This section allows users to plan trips manually or through AI. It also shows trip history with details of past journeys. To plan a new trip, the user taps on Plan Trip and chooses either manual planning or AI-powered planning. If they choose manual planning, the app guides them through booking services. They set their stay timeline and select how they are traveling, whether by flight, train, or bus. If they choose a flight, they can pick a one-way, round trip, or multi-city option. Once all selections are made, the trip details are saved and displayed in the user's profile. If the user selects Plan with AI, the app collects a few quick details: the destination they want to visit, travel dates, who they are traveling with solo, partner, friends, or family, their budget, and their travel interests. Based on these inputs, the AI generates a complete plan with an overview screen, a day-by-day itinerary, and estimated trip costs whether they prefer backpacking, mid-range, or luxury travel. The user can then move to the booking section, where relevant travel options appear, such as a bus trip in the example shown. These features complete the core experience of the Travel AI app. There are more advanced modules we can discuss when we connect, and with that, the user-side walkthrough comes to an end as we move to the next part of the system. Welcome to the admin panel of the Travel AI app, a unified dashboard designed to help you manage bookings, users, vendors, analytics, operations, and AI automation from one place. We begin with the main dashboard, which gives you a quick snapshot of total bookings, active users, revenue, and vendor partners. Below that, You can view recent bookings with booking IDs, customer details, destinations, amounts, and statuses, supported by an AI Insights panel on the side for deeper analysis. Next is user management, where you can track total users, active users, new registrations, and flagged accounts. The user directory shows each user's name, status, total bookings, total spend, and risk level, along with available actions. This section also includes an AI-driven fraud detection tool to help monitor suspicious activity. We then move to vendor and properties. Here you'll find total vendors, active properties, pending approvals, and monthly vendor revenue. The vendor directory lists each vendor's category, status, customer rating, and revenue. You can review pending approvals, accept or reject listings, and export vendor data. Manual booking and data export options are also available in the Booking and Payments panel. The top section displays total bookings, revenue, pending payments, and refund requests. Below that is the booking management table with booking IDs, customer IDs, destinations, travel dates, amounts, and booking statuses. A Payment Issues AI tool highlights customer payment problems and arranges them by priority. Next, we have Content and Marketing. This section shows total content, published items, total views, and average engagement. The content library displays each item's type, status, performance, and last modified date, supported by an AI analysis tool to help improve content effectiveness. The Analytics and Reports panel provides total revenue, conversion rate, average order value, and customer retention. You can review revenue trends, the full conversion funnel from website visits to completed bookings, and traffic sources. This section also highlights top destinations and segments customers into business travelers, leisure travelers, adventure seekers, and luxury travelers. Predictive Analytics offers demand forecasts, revenue projections, and churn risk. Next is the Agent and B2B Management section, which shows total agents, active partners, B2B revenue, and average commission. The agent directory includes agent type, region, sales, commission rate, status, and actions. An AI tool highlights top performers. The commission structure ranges from bronze at 8%, silver at 12%, gold at 15%, and platinum at 18%. Below that, you can review regional performance across North America, Europe, Asia Pacific, and other regions. We now move to Operations Management. This section covers active tasks, system updates, response time, and automation rate. The task dashboard includes task name, priority, status, assignee, and due date, along with a system alerts tool. Below that are automation rules, system performance metrics, and resource allocation details for web servers, databases, CDNs, and cache systems. Next is the AI Tools panel, which includes the AI chatbot, content creator, dynamic pricing AI, and the recommendation engine. There is also an AI assistant configuration tool, along with AI insights for financial data. Automated campaigns include welcome email sequences, booking reminders, and abandoned account recovery. You'll also find model training status and a virtual tool generator. Finally, we enter the settings section. This includes general settings, user management for super admins, admin managers, and support staff, and a notification panel to configure email, push, and SMS alerts. The compliance area lists key policies that apply to the platform, and at the bottom, you'll find data privacy and encryption tools. And with that, we conclude the technical walkthrough of the admin panel. The future of travel belongs to apps that make planning effortless. AI-powered travel platforms take all the research, comparisons, and confusion and turn it into one simple, personalized experience for every traveler. At Brew Labs, we build travel apps that do exactly that. From AI trip planning to smart recommendations and real-time updates, we design and launch complete AI-driven travel products in as little as 30 days. Click the link in the description, fill out a short form, and our team will get in touch. Let's build your AI-powered travel app, one that actually understands your users and makes trip planning simple. Travelers are tired of juggling countless tabs. It's time your platform made travel easy again. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more videos on building real-world AI products.